Hey there everybody, I'm the Lonely Hunter and welcome to Road to Spartan Live. We're doing live commentary over gameplay in Halo 4 and in this series basically I will give you every match that I play in Halo 4 so that you will get to see my wins, you will get to see my fails. The objective here is to try to go as much as we can in the ranking system of Halo 4 and to become better at the game, because me personally, I am bad at Halo. And Halo 4 is my chance to get in that series and to learn that game. So I will do that one right here. I will try to live commentate each and every of my games, and I will give it to you guys. Hope that this series lasts and hope that you like it. We're playing some Infinity Slayer. This is my first match. Red team. Okay. Yeah, we don't have too many things unlocked on the default class, so I will have to go with that now to see what it is. And I have seen these maps in other YouTubers' videos. It is a pretty good map, and the lighting effects are amazing. So we should find somebody to kill, right? We need to find somebody to kill. But first of all, give me the sword. If you have watched any of my Halo Reach videos, then you know that I love the sword so much. I am an addict when it comes to the sword, and I will be using the sword a lot. I will try to pick it up as much as possible and get down to the ground. And that's how we get started. This is my first kill ever in Halo 4 multiplayer. I wanted to share with you guys this experience. So I hope you appreciate that, I hope you appreciate that effort, because I'm not that beast of a player. I just wanted to bring you guys the gameplay. If you have love for the game, no matter the skill, then you will like this one. Oh, don't. I will take you down. One, and yeah, you're going down as well. Two. Okay. Mighty beast. Oh no. Yeah, you needed the ghost to take me down. You needed the vehicle to take me down. You couldn't take me down with the guns. Okay. And apparently this is a solid starting rifle, yeah. It can do considerably good damage. I don't think I can find the sword right now, so we will try to use this one. And yeah, this guy is probably oblivious. Hope that I can take him down without getting damaged. Oh, who damaged me? So, somebody damaged me a lot. Maybe that guy made it to snipe me. I don't know what happened. And I really need to get into that game, because my aim is way too off. But I got that kill. I got that kill, obviously. So, you know what? If we win, it's okay. If we lose, again, it's okay. Because it's the beginning. This is where everything starts. So we will have to deal with everything that is in our way, with every objective that we have to overcome. And I will not be playing only Infinity Slayer, I will be playing other game modes. You will see pretty much everything that I do solo in multiplayer. I will not play in a squad, at least I will not show you any squad games. Or maybe not, if I play with a bunch of people, yeah, maybe I will show you some squad games as well. The thing is, I would like to show you everything from the beginning. And this is my experience in the game, this is my take on the game. Oh no, that guy with a missile. Okay, so basically, yeah, my experience, this is what you're getting, basically. Oh. Now what? There should be the guy with the lancer up there. I don't wanna risk it. He should sharpshooter me with the lancer. Can we take this guy out from that far? No, he jumped down the last moment. Vehicles? I wanna get into a vehicle, but maybe later when I find one. Okay. Where you at now? I still confuse the buttons. Just... oh no. Don't... how? Oh man, how the fuck was that? And he was scoping me all the time. Man. Yeah, that was pretty bad. I am still in that mentality of the first-person shooter. Of the military shooter, basically. That makes me take other buttons to use, and yeah, I'm not too familiar with the layout. Probably maybe I'll do something later on to get familiarized with it. Oh, no, the guy has crazy skills at sniping. At least on me. Did I get? No. No, I didn't get that kill. And the surprising thing is that this game is amazing, the campaign is solid. And at the beginning, while I first went in to play multiplayer, because this is not my first try, I have tried to go into multiplayer, but I didn't play eventually, because servers were down, and I couldn't get into a match. I couldn't find anybody. I was asking people in XBL that were going online together with me at that time, and they were telling me, yeah man, we have a problem. And later on, the next day, today that I am recording the video, I have searched in the morning about this, about the news about the servers, and it seems like that people are in love with this game, because too many people joined the servers, too many people activated their game, and yeah, it caused some huge traffic. So this is what happened. If you had that one, if you got that game at the first day of release and you tried to go in, especially midnight of release, then you would have some problems. And I don't seem to get too many kills though. I'm getting some wingman assists right there. Your personal wingman. And there's not much really to say about the guns. The guns are good, everything is solid. Everything seems to flow well. Why don't you die? Smack you down. Oh. I couldn't smack that guy down. I got the assist though. How can you... Ah yeah, I have shot him before, that's why I got the assist for the beatdown. And no, can we still escape? No, I cannot escape. He followed me. He was a pretty good hunter. Yeah, in this game I cannot be the hunter you will expect me to be. Though I can guarantee that it can be entertaining to see me fail at least. And you know, we can learn together through this. We can learn together from that. Oh damn. You tell me your tips, I'll tell you mine. Whichever discovers things first. You tell me what you think is better to use, and I will tell you what I think. This is basically the meaning of this series, you know, exchanging ideas about the game we all love, because I felt in love with that game after Halo Reach, especially Halo Reach campaign, because multiplayer, not so much. Halo Reach multiplayer wasn't my thing, but I got into Halo deeply, let's say from Halo Reach campaign, and this is mainly what got me to buy Halo 4. Now Halo 4 is the thing that I have to go full on onto the multiplayer, even though the campaign is also amazing. Master Chief for the win, he's a beast, so yeah. This is also amazing, playing as Master Chief. So we will try to become Spartans. Oh, damn. My Spartan journey just ended by that dude. How the hell did he pop up that fast? And okay, I guess that was a comeback kill or something. I had pretty much time to kill, and I called this one in. Let's get that extra shield, and let's head on to kill some enemies. Where are you at? Pop up. No, they are not popping up. Oh, that guy. If he still manages to get me. Yeah. See? He managed to get me with double shield on. Man, no excuse for that one. God damn, I have to time my reflexes, I have to do everything from the beginning, because if you have played any other military shooter, if you have played any other FPS, it's not really like it. It has another feel to it, another type to it. You're going down with a pistol. I will take you down with my pistol, son. Oh no. It ended up being a punch. A punch to the face. And what's better than punching faces this morning? Cause yeah, after that last night's fail that I got to play the game, I decided, yeah, why not, let's try next morning. And I'm doing good for my team though, but yeah, the other team is doing better. Oh, let's try this gun. Yeah, this gun semi-auto. Not good with the semi-auto. I gotta pay attention to my aim a bit more, because going with semi-auto, damn, I'm losing too many bullets, and that's a shame. Can we get that one? Yeah, I got that one. Can we get the second one here? Marksmanship? No. He probably has found me. That's why he started moving, or he just ran aimlessly to save his life, I don't know. Okay, too many guys over there, so I throw a nade. Yeah, that nade was timed, but I almost betrayed a body right there, so I wouldn't... Oh no, that was a hologram. That was good. I'll smack you down. Take that. No. I am down. That guy. If I just got some bullets on him while I was moving, maybe then I could have killed him right there. So yeah guys, the game looks solid, or rock solid I gotta say, and I will have too much fun making this series, because I pretty much talk in every game. Even though I may not be recording, sometimes yeah, I talk, I don't care. I react to everything that happens in the game, so this will be an opportunity to make something creative. Why not creating a video? And yeah, that would be fun. Okay, how much? Oh, they are close to winning, yeah. They are pretty close to winning. One kill to win? What are they? No, don't kill me. Oh, god damn it. I don't like contributing to my team's loss, but yeah, it's just the beginning. We're just getting started. Okay. And yeah, defeat. It wasn't the best way to start, but it's a way. It's a beginning. I'll see you guys next game.